So about 6 months ago when I started here at Cloud Imperium, we pretty much had nothing, no animation. We were using SDK animations that came with the CryEngine. So I was tasked to develop a motion capture system to create everything that we need. So in the past 6 months, we've done a combination of using SDK. We bought some, there's a website that we bought some motion capture from, temporary stuff to get us going. And then just recently, we went down and we acquired a Optitrack motion capture system from Natural Point. And this happens to be the Optitrack camera. This is a Prime 41 camera. It's a 4 megapixel of something like 120 frames a second. And it films these markers, which reflect light, infrared light from the camera, and help track body movement. I believe the Optitrack system is superior for several reasons. One, it's a much more affordable camera, so that means we can have more cameras. The more cameras, the better data that we get from our motion capture shoots. It can actually see farther than other cameras. It shoots up to like 100 feet indoors. It does about half that outdoors in bright sunlight. So if we should happen to need a large space, we can go outside and film. So our biggest challenge right now is finding a space for a motion capture studio. We were looking at an old airport and getting an old airplane hangar, which would have been absolutely perfect. But we also are looking at other various spaces, warehouses, maybe office spaces where we can set up. Basically, we need a space big enough where we can capture a run cycle. The great thing about us having our own motion capture system is the fact that we're not reliant on another studio to go in and shoot our motion capture data. We don't have to work our schedule around other people's schedules and other developers' schedules and other post-animation houses' schedules who need motion capture facilities. Because everything is in-house, we can basically go in and say, hey, guess what? We need to capture 20 animations today. Let's go to the studio, throw on the suit, or hire an actor to bring in and have them throw on the suit real fast and capture these motions. It also allows us to continually update animation in the game. We can create new missions for the character to go on without having to spend massive amounts of money on going to another studio and actually have them capture it and solve the data for us. We can do it all in-house. It's going to save us a lot of money on the back end.